So, welcome to Curb 2025. This is the second time we've done Curb. Curb stands for what? Conference on undergraduate research in biology. And so just uncurb your enthusiasm. That's the idea. I think most of you know the organisers, Duncan Smith and myself, Justin Bloor. I think we've taught pretty much everyone between us in POB and MCB. Who wasn't taught by me and Duncan? Fine, everyone, okay. So, why learn from us every day, Gloria? Okay, Gloria, fine. We thought we invented this last year because we thought it would be great. There are research conferences at the university, but the dean's one, everyone gets spread out, and we thought it would be really great to have one for biology because this is the best department, right? And also to celebrate the kind of research that goes on across the department by different years of undergrads. So, research obviously is a big part of the university. Essentially, our jobs are to teach and to do research, and if there was no research, we wouldn't have anything to teach. And I think, yes, you appreciate that, all the work that goes into it, all the stuff that you're looking over, textbooks and stuff, all of that comes from research done in labs. And I think all of you doing research, or going to hear about research today, will appreciate how much it actually takes to get a sentence in a textbook. Right? It really takes a long time. But it's great, even if it's slow, it takes time, but we want to understand how things work, why things work the way they do, how can we use those things to maybe make a better world or a better treatment for disease. So that's all the point of research. And then scientists have research conferences all the time. They come together and they talk to each other. So your job as audience members will be to listen to people, to interact with people. When you go out to posters, there'll be a poster presenter. They're all going to be a bit nervous. Okay. But talk to them, ask them questions, interact with them. You definitely stop them and ask them questions or get them to speed up. But it should be fun. That's what we do all the time. We talk to each other about scientists. If you're a first year or second year, you might find a lab you want to join. The seniors graduating and leaving a project. There are all kinds of things. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to stop talking in a second. We're going to do 1 minute flash talks, which Duncan's going to tell you how we're going to do those. Then we'll go outside for posters, odd numbers for the first half hour, even numbers for the second half hour. Then we're going to come back for a few special talks by undergrads, and then prizes. Everyone loves prizes, so we have poster prizes. And then we have food afterwards.
After or during, we haven't decided yet.
Okay, no. Alright, you want to talk about the logistics?
Okay, Justin's the inspiration guy and the logistics guy. So the flash talk orders have assembled themselves in order from 1 through 15 and then 16 through 30. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come up and you're going to have exactly 60 seconds, no more than, you can have less if you want, but no more than 60 seconds to present your work. So what you should, when the person before you is presenting, you should be lurking about here. Right, so you can come right on. And those of you who came last year will be familiar with our very high-tech timekeeping mechanism, which is the rainbow unicorn gun.
We need them back then.
So if you go over time, I'm going to start shooting the rainbow unicorn gun at you. And if you're immediately following someone who's going over time, you can bustle them off. There's a presenter clicker thing, and it has one big button in the middle, which is go forward. You don't need to press the go backward button, and it has a laser pointer, but I would encourage you not to use the pointer and just talk to the audience. Any questions from the flash talk presenters?
And the flash talks are just meant to be an advertisement for your poster, so that people will come and get excited by it.
Yeah, you've got to entice people to your poster. So I guess, okay. Let me start my clock, we've got to make it fair.